Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and yes, this is a fidget spinner tutorial video. Anyways, what I'm saying is that you guys sell a glow-in-the-dark one. You guys are great friends, you are great supporters. So we know this one spins for 2 minutes. This one Tyler got me handy at work. He forgot to take the price tag off, but so yeah. And she got me that for my birthday. This, I went to New Brunswick or Toronto, I think, or something. We went camping, and I paid a lot for this. So, yeah. I'm going to open this one up for you guys on camera, because this one's actually easy to slip in and slip out, because I already played it out of the package. But yeah, this one's easy to open on camera for you guys. So, let's see how good it is. Let's see how good it is on the floor. That's it. Yeah. I'll spin a lot better. Just give me a second. Here we go, guys. It spins really good. This one spins really good. So I'm taking this one away. And I'm going to open this one. I don't know if I can do it on camera for you guys. But, yeah. We'll try the cameraman. Or camera person. There we go. Don't worry, guys. I got it. See? On camera. It was off camera and on camera. Yeah. It's really good. I spin my hands really good. Let's see if I can spin now on the floor. That one I did a little bit better for you guys on camera. The first one, like this one, I had to spin it. The camera was still recording, but I had to do it this way. Spin it, and take off the camera, but I just spin it. This one, right here. Spin it, and it was on camera for you guys. This one. So, yeah, that's pretty good. 3 fidget spinners. I would say this one right here is a good fidget spinner. This is a good fidget spinner. And this one right here is a really good fidget spinner. I really like it. It has purple in it. Green, my favorite color, and orange, and green. So these are all my 3 fidget spinners. So, yeah. So please like, please comment, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, see you guys later. Alright, bye.